start. Banking officials have given rapid expansion of the bank branches as a major reasons for the flood of malpractices. Full stop. Adding to that is the flight of banking executives from Pakistan, whose number was placed at about 2000. Full stop. Foreign banks which are opening their branches in Pakistan, comma, too, are they taking away considerably number of trained and senior staff from nationalized banks. Full stop. Such executives are leaving the Pakistani banks not only for the sake of better pay and allowances, but also to avoid the indignities and embarrassments to which they are exposed to because of militant unions in some banks and the increasingly rigid rules that are being framed by the banking council to guide their conduct. Full stop. It is indeed disturbing to note that today more rules are being framed and procedures devised to protect the banks and not from the clients outside but from the banking staff within. Full stop. In the process, comma, the clients are greatly inconvenienced and banking transactions have become unusually slow. Full stops. Banks are now officially open to the public for 22 hours a week, comma, but actually the number of hours are fewer as many bank branches do not open at 9 a.m. but much later, while closing promptly at 1 p.m. except for a few very select clients. Full stop. According adding to the hardship of the public further is the need. Full stop.